Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, September 19th, and I'm going to be analyzing gold versus the dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on gold monthly, I still say that it's extremely clearly a 1, 2, 3, and like I've been saying this last week or so, the 161.8 is only the minimum target. Wave 3s can often go to the 261.8 and beyond. So we don't have to believe this wave 3 is over until we have proof that we have the end of a trend on the sort of time frames. Wave 3s can extend way beyond what you think they can. Eventually it's going to have to make a wave 4 and a wave 5, but it definitely doesn't have to do it now. So going down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, we passed our last Fib level, which means the next Fibonacci level is probably pretty likely going to get hit, which is right around the 2630, 2640 area. So I'm definitely still very bullish on the very high time frames. Going down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, I was thinking that we were going to try to get a little bit of a bigger push down at the FOMC yesterday, but boy, it looks like it's still in an uptrend. It looks like it just went down and retested the Fibonacci level, and maybe it's just going to keep on trending up to the next Fibonacci extension level, which is right around the 2630 area. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, yesterday I was saying that it looks like a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it definitely did break structure, but I guess on this time frame it definitely is kind of a rejection of structure. It really wasn't able to close below structure, it was only able to spike below structure. Now, I still think there's a possibility that it could make a lower high, and try to push down. Maybe it's just trying to trap people in buys. But we have to keep in mind when every single higher time frame is in an uptrend, and we are on the sort of time frames coming up with reasons to think it's going to go down. Oftentimes, you are wrong about your analysis if that's the case, because more times than not, the higher time frame prevailing trend will win, and it will just keep on trending in the same direction as the higher time frame trend. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I got my Fibonacci retracement on here, but like I was just explaining on the higher time frames, every single higher time frame is in an uptrend. The weekly, the monthly, the daily, and even the 4 hour time frame are still in uptrends. So if you're on the 1 hour time frame trying to come up with reasons to go short, oftentimes you'll be like, okay, well this is going to bounce, it's going to go down, but in reality, what actually ends up happening, because every single higher time frame is in an uptrend, oftentimes it just makes higher highs, higher lows, and just keeps on trending up. So keep an eye on your Fibonacci levels just in case it does reverse at a Fibonacci level. I would have to see like a reversal and a break of structure to even think about going short. Otherwise, keep in mind that every higher time frame is in an uptrend and the trend is your friend, and you will definitely be more consistently profitable if you trade with the higher time frame trends. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. It's linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.